Like many Ontario communities, York Region is seeing overdose deaths linked to toxic drugs and opioids. But York Regional Police took the unusual step of laying a manslaughter charge in a recent case. It all started at a Vaughan home in mid-September 2024. A man was found without vital signs.
As a result of the Office of the Chief Coroner, they were able to determine that this death was a result of an accidental overdose,
Triggering an 11-month probe.
And what they ended up finding was there was an individual that was trafficking drugs right across York Region, including the drugs that were sold to our victim.
On August 21st, officers arrested 29-year-old Georgina resident Farzam Jafari Roodsari. He's charged with manslaughter, drug, and unrelated probation violation offenses. A publication ban prevents outlining details. He's set to appear in a Newmarket courthouse on September 5th. The allegations haven't been proven in court.
We're hoping to bring, again, that little bit of closure to the family to at least try to alleviate some of the concerns.
Public health data shows a decade-long high of opioid toxicity deaths across York Region in 2023. 83 people lost their lives. Last year, it was 53.
To see, a younger generation of individuals addicted to serious opioids, it's heart-wrenching.
Detective Sergeant Sean Whitaker oversees the Drug Enforcement Unit. We talk generally about the type of work being done. He says a new team is taking
more of a victim-centric approach, and it's not to investigate the users.
If they can find evidence of where specific drugs come from and tie it to traffickers, he says there could be grounds for manslaughter.
It's more of a surgical tool that we try and use. We want to try and hold drug dealers accountable, and we want to try and deter them.
When it comes to laying manslaughter charges in these types of investigations, those familiar with the criminal justice system in Canada say it's not an easy allegation to prove.
Manslaughter is an offense that really has to do with any unlawful act that causes death.
Lisa Dufresmont is the Associate Dean of Osgoode Hall Law School. She didn't comment on this case, but on manslaughter notes.
Drug trafficking is a clandestine activity. We can expect that it's not often done in an open way. And so it would often be very difficult to trace the drugs back, even if they've had a lethal effect, to trace them back to a particular individual.
Whitaker acknowledges a lot of evidence is needed to show
that information that the drugs that they were selling would cause harm to somebody or someone.
Meanwhile, he has this hope going forward.
Nobody wants drug traffickers in the community. By laying these more serious charges, we hope that we can alleviate, and it won't ever be perfect, but we can get rid of the drug traffickers from our community by holding them more accountable for their actions.
In Newmarket, Nick Westoll, City News.